Welcome. If you've ever missed an important email because Gmail notifications weren't on, don't worry. In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you step by step how to turn on Gmail notifications on your phone, so you never miss a message again. First, let's make sure your phone's notification settings are ready. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. This is where you can control how each app alerts you. Once you're in, look for the menu labeled Notifications. It's usually found toward the top of the list, depending on your phone model. Next, tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone that can send alerts. Scroll down until you find Gmail. It should have the familiar red and white envelope icon, so it's easy to spot. Once you've found it, tap on App Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how Gmail notifies you. You can turn on general alerts, choose what kind of emails you'll be notified about, or even decide how those alerts appear on your screen. Now for the most important step. Toggle on Gmail. You'll see a switch next to it. Make sure it's turned on. When the switch is activated, Gmail notifications will start working right away. You'll get alerts for new emails, and they'll appear on your lock screen, notification bar, or as a banner, depending on your phone's setup. Before finishing, it's a good idea to open the Gmail app and check your in-app notification settings too. Tap the three-line menu in the upper left, go to Settings, choose your account, and make sure that Notifications is set to All. This ensures you get alerts for every email you receive. And that's it. You've successfully turned on Gmail notifications. You'll now stay connected and informed wherever you are, without constantly checking your inbox. Thanks for watching.